Hello friends, myself Dr. Vipin Goyal. I am Senior Consultant Surgical Oncology and Laparoscopic Surgeon at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills. The oral cancer patients usually present with ulcer or swelling inside the mouth. Sometimes what happens is if the cancer has already spread from mouth to the neck, they can present with swelling on the neck. Second most common presentation is difficulty in swallowing or difficulty in speech. As we know, tongue is important and oral cavity is important for speech and swallowing. If there is a cancer of the tongue or the oral cavity, then the patient may have difficulty in swallowing and speech. How does the doctor diagnose and treat the case of oral cancer? Usually if you present to the doctor with symptoms of oral cancer, the first thing what I will do is take a small bit of biopsy and set it for testing. And if required, I will get ultrasound or CT scan of the head and neck done to see how much is the local spread of the disease. The treatment for oral cancer is mainly surgery. Here the affected part of the oral cavity by the cancer is removed by the surgery and the affected part is sent for the biopsy. Based on the biopsy report, I will decide whether the patient required adjuvant radiation or not. If the disease is advanced, it has already spread to the other part of the oral cavity, then the patient will require radiation after the surgery. If the disease is very much confined to the oral cavity like stage 1, then radiation can be avoided. The prognosis of the oral cancer depends on again the stage when you have presented. In early stage, almost 90% cure is guaranteed, but if the cancer has already spread to the neck through the oral cavity, the cure rate drops to 50%. So the take home message here will be never use tobacco if possible. If somebody is having addicted to the tobacco, stop as early as possible. Thank you.